Yes, good morning children. In the last class we have done some of the word problems to you. I gave you 2 or 3 problems for the homework also. Already I said to you that if there is any problem in the homework that you have to make a call or you have to post in a WhatsApp, but none of the people are posted. That means I feel that you got that homework problems. So we are going to the next topic today, that is solving of the pair of linear equations by reducing them into the pair of linear equations. So here this pair of linear equations is giving not in the general form. We have to write them in the general form by reducing them. See here, first example that we are going to do the problems from exercise 3.6. In the first bit, first one you can see here 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Next 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. See here, you are feeling it is just a new for you about this pair of linear equations. Here 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. So these are not in the general form of the pair of linear equations. We have to write them by reducing. So first one equation you can take here 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. This you can write as 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. Let 1 by x you can take as a 1 by y you can take as a b. Then this equation will become 1 by 2 into a plus 1 by 3 into b is equal to 2. That means here a into 1, a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 2. Now this you can take that LCM is the 6. 2 3 is 6, 3a plus 3 2 is 6, 2b is equal to 2. That is equal to, how much you got here? 3a plus 2b is equal. 6 you can send to other side of is equal. 6 2 is 12. This is the first equation. Okay. So this is the way to reduce that another equation also into the pair of linear equation form. Might be understood, I think. See again that one, and once again I am explaining. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. That we are taking here and writing in the form of separating that 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. Whereas 1 by x is equal to you are taking as a because it is a fraction form, we are changing into the normal form. So 1 by 2 into a plus 1 by 3 into b is equal to 2. 1 by 2 into a means that you can write as a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 2. Here a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 2 you got. But again there is a denominator for you. For these two denominators you can take the LCM. 2 3 is 6 and add these two terms. 2 3 is 6, 3 into a 3a plus and 3 to the 6, 2 into b 2b is equal to 2. So denominator number you can send to other side of is equal to, that is the 3a plus 2b is equal 6 into 2, 12. This is the first equation, we got it. Same like that, you can change the second equation also. 1 by 3 x plus 1 by 2y is equal 13 by 6. Here also you can write it as 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal 13 by 6. Say we are denoted as 1 by x as a 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b is equal 13 by 6. Write it as a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal 13 by 6. Take the LCM of these two. 3 to the 6. LCM 3 to the 6, 2 into a, 2a plus 2 3 is a b, 3b is equal to 13 by 6. 6 cancel. 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. It is the second equation. Are you understood? Now what we done? Given equations we are reduced into the pair of linear equations. So first equation is the 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 and next equation is the 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Okay, these two we have to solve. Yes. Now solve 1 and 2. That is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Now, you know that generally I said that you have to use that elimination method to do this one. Multiply by 2, multiply by 3 to make that a terms equal. 6a plus 4b is equal to 24. 6a plus 9b is equal 39. Subtract it. Minus, cancel it. 4b minus 9b minus 5b is equal minus 15. Minus cancel. 5b is equal to 15. B is equal to 15 by 5 is equal to 3. B is equal to, you got as a 3. Substitute this B is equal to in the either in the first equation or in the second equation. Substitute B is equal to 3 in equation 1 we can take. That is, what is the one equation? 3a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Now 3a is equal to 12 minus 6. 3a is equal to 6, you got it. A is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2. So you got here A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. But our problem is in terms of x. So this A and B you can write in terms of the x in what way we are denoted there. Okay. Now here A means what here? 1 by x is equal to 2 by 1. 1 by x is equal to 2 by 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2. And b is equal to 1 by y is equal to 3 by 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 3. So, you got that solution as x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Are you understood? Don't confusion over here. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. Do the cross multiplication. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Like that we are calculated here. Okay. Now, are you understood this please? Just a little bit. A big problem. Don't get confusion and don't get any hesitation to you. Like this. Another type of the problem will be taken. Now, for example, 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. Another equation, 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. These two equations also we have to reduce into the pair of linear equations. What we have to do is, here this denominator is the common for both the terms. That is 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. Now x cancel, 7 by y minus y cancel, 2 by x is equal to 5. Same like the previous problem. Now write it as 7 into 1 by y is equal to a, and 7 into 1 by y minus 2 into 1 by x is equal to 5. Let 1 by y you can take as a and 1 by x you can take as a b. Then what you are getting here, 7y means 7 into 1 by y, that is 7a plus 2b, not plus, minus 2b is equal to 5. Have you got it? 7a minus 2b is equal to 5. Same like this, second equation also. Right here, 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Now, x cancel, y cancel. 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. 8 into 1 by y plus 7 into 1 by x is equal to 15. 8 into 1 by a, 8 into 1 by y. 1 by y we are taken as a. 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. So it is the first equation and it is the second equation. Now we have to solve that both the equations. Are you understood here? Now it is a big problem, board also a little bit. Now solve 1 and 2. We will take that in the other way. Are you understood now? Here I am taking that. Solve 1 and 2. 7a minus 2b is equal to 5. 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. Okay, please. Now, how to solve it by elimination? This you can multiply by 8, this you can multiply by 7 to make the terms A are equal. So here 8 7 is a 56a minus 8 2 is a 16b is equal 8 5 is a 40. 7 8 is a 56a plus 7 7 is a 49b is equal 35. Okay. Now it is minus minus minus. Have you understood? Now this is cancelled. Here 16 minus 16 minus 49 minus 65 is equal to minus 65b is equal to 40 minus 35 is equal to 5. Now b is equal to 5 by minus 65. 5 ones are 5 13s. B is equal to 1 by 13 minus. B is equal to, you got it. This is, now we are taking another term, that is the a. Substitute b is equal to minus 1 by 13 in equation 1. b, 7a minus 2 into minus 1 by 13 is equal to 5. 7a minus of minus plus 2 by 13 is equal to 5. 7a is equal to 5 minus 2 by 13. Okay, please. Now 7a is equal, take that LCM 13. 65 minus 2. 7a is equal 63 by 13. Now 7 ones are 7 nines are. A is equal to 9 by 13. Here a is equal to 9 by 13 and b is equal to minus 1 by 13. You got it. Okay. But our question is not in terms of the a and b. Substitute the values of that a and b here. That is, a is equal, what we are denoted, 1 by y is equal to how much? 9 by 13. Y is equal to 13 by 9. And b is equal to 1 by x is equal to how much you got? Minus 1 by 13. Then x is equal to minus 13 by 1. Okay. So x is equal to what? And y is equal to. X is equal minus 13 and y is equal to 13 by 9. Okay. So this is the another problem which he gave in that same pattern. Okay. This is a little bit confusion for you, but it's not that hard. You have to go through a little bit 2 times or 3 times to see this video and try to understand. If there is any problem, tomorrow again I will explain all these problems. Okay? Bye. Good day.